Welcome to your DIY guide for fitting roller doors from Rollerdoor UK. Let's get started. Begin by marking about 4 holes per guide runner for secure fixing. Next, drill through your markings using a 6.5mm drill bit for both external and inner wall fixing. Then switch to a 12mm drill bit to widen the inner face of the holes for screw heads. Insert the guide runners into the door box. With a second person, position the guides and door box against the wall. If you have clamps, use them for stability. Make sure everything is level and plumb before drilling. Drill into the brickwork through your pre-drilled holes using the 6.5mm bit and secure with screws. Remove any clamps. Drill holes in the top corners and secure with screws. Then drill near the wire, push the cap through and thread the wire. Install the control board about 300mm from the door on the motor side and at an operable height. Finally, set your upper and lower limits as shown in our limit video. And that's it. Enjoy your new roller door.